Hello everyone, this is Siddhant Karmarkar. I will be giving a video presentation for my Studio One project, that is Construction Project Formulation and Appraisal. As a part of this studio, a feasibility study was conducted for the waste to energy plant coming up in Ahmedabad. This portfolio includes client organization structure, work breakdown structure, demand analysis, and location analysis. The location of the project is near Pipluj, Ahmedabad. The objective of the project is to reduce the municipal solid waste going to dump sites and use it as raw material for generating electricity. There are a few plants for compost and RDF processing operational since 2009 in Ahmedabad, but some of them had to shut down due to low calorific value of waste. The contract here is design, build, finance, operate and transfer contract for processing 1000 tons per day mixed municipal solid waste for 30 years and for a budget of 240 crores. The client here is Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. First, we would be looking at the organization structure of the client. Currently, AMC has 6 zones and 64 wards. The Municipal Commissioner is the head of AMC. The Solid Waste Department is headed by the Director, who is further assisted by 2 Deputy Directors, Deputy Director Head Office and Deputy Director at Pirana Dump Site. For better administration, the department is further divided into conservancy and refuse. Then at zonal level, each zone has assistant director supported by solid waste superintendent, and every zone has 10 to 12 wards headed by the public health officer, and the public health officer of each ward reports to the solid waste superintendent. Likewise, the sanitary inspector and sub-inspector report to the public health supervisor of that ward. After doing the plus delta analysis and studying similar organization structures, some changes were proposed in the structure, like a dedicated public outreach officer could be appointed for coordination and involvement with social welfare groups, creating awareness for green city and organizing campaigns. Similarly, a waste recycle officer in every zone can make sure that the segregation is enforced and at the same time find new avenues for recycling waste going to the landfills. Work breakdown structure for a project is created to track the cost, time and performance at all levels during the entire project life. We have divided our project into level 1, the sub-project level, further divided into level 2, the work package level, and finally in level 3, the activity and sub-activity level. Here we have discussed the inception phase, which deals with the feasibility study, formulation and finalization of detailed project report, which determines the viability of the project. Next, we have considered the development phase. This phase is important for deciding the procurement strategy to be adopted for the project. The requirements for bidding process and design briefs for various components of the project are finalized in this phase. Next is the implementation phase, which involves the pre-construction and actual construction works of different components of the project. The implementation phase can be further divided into pre-construction and construction of waste-to-energy plant. Demand analysis is performed to assess the need of the project being proposed. The methodology followed for demand analysis includes comparison of Ahmedabad city's waste scenario with other major cities of India, projection of population growth, waste generation and gap analysis for Ahmedabad up to the year of 2051, preparation of SWOT analysis and weighted scoring model, and finally regression analysis for the dependent and independent factors. The graph shown here depicts the population, waste generation and gap analysis up to the year of 2051. Also, the waste composition and its characteristics were looked upon to assess the suitability of waste for incineration plant. A weighted scoring model was prepared based on the following factors: population trend, amount of waste generated, advancement in technologies and innovative research, existing landfill capacity and processing gap. The final score obtained was 143 out of 190, which justifies the need for a processing plant in Ahmedabad. Regression analysis was performed considering the dependent variable as waste generated and 2 independent variables, x1 as population and x2 as gap. From the regression analysis, we concluded that the waste generated is highly dependent on the population growth and gap. Location analysis is done to check whether the selected location is feasible and complying to the existing solid waste management rules. The approach includes identifying parameters for physical, natural and social factors, giving weightage and rating for each parameter, calculating the total score of the selected site, and inferences and conclusion from the weighted scoring model. The two figures shown here depict the WTE plant location and the location of transfer stations and their distance from the WTE plant location. The three major categories of factors considered for selection of site are physical factors, natural factors, and social factors. The parameters for these factors were compared with the conditions mentioned in CPHUA manual. The weightage and rating for each parameter is given comparing the existing conditions with the permissible criteria in the manual. The final score obtained was 423 out of 550. So based on the scoring model, it can be concluded that the selected location is suitable for the WTE plant. Key learnings and conclusion. After studying the organization structure of client, a suggestion was made to appoint a public outreach officer and a recycle officer. In the work breakdown structure, the entire project was divided into sub-project level, package level, activity and sub-activity levels, which enables better monitoring and control. In demand analysis, the need for a processing plant was assessed considering the waste generated, population growth, and gap in processing. The final score of weighted scoring model justifies the need of a processing plant. Similarly, in location analysis, the weighted scoring model prepared considering the physical, natural, and social factors also confirms the selected site suitable for the plant. Apart from these exercises, some more exercises were conducted by studying similar projects like technical analysis, financial analysis, environmental impact assessment, etc. From our study, we concluded that a WT project was required in Ahmedabad. The best technology would be incineration, and this project would be technically, financially, and economically feasible and beneficial for the city.